students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video we have revised division of decimals and decimals in daily life. Now today I am going to discuss with you rounding of decimal fractions. Before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in comment box for daily attendance. So let's do revision of rounding of decimal fraction. Before that, you have studied about rounding of whole numbers. Clear? So in that, for example, if you have to round off to the nearest tens, if you have to round off this number 7385 to the nearest tens, how will you do? So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Clear? So here you have to round off to the nearest tens and its tens place is 8. Clear? So this 8's next to right hand side number you have to check. If that number is equal to or greater than 5, then you have to add 1 with this number, rounding off number. If that next number is right hand side number is less than 5, then no change in this rounding off number. Clear? And after this rounding off number, when you will convert, after that all the digit becomes 0. So here what you will do, just check. Here you have to round off to the nearest tens, so it's ones tens place is 8 and 8's right hand side number is 5. Right hand side next number which is equal to 5. Clear? If it is equal to 5, then it will give 1 to this rounding off number. You have to add 1 here. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So in that case answer will be 7, 3, 8 becomes 9 and this 5 becomes 0. Clear? And if the same number you have to round off to the nearest thousands. So here same number like 7385, the same number you have to round off to the nearest thousands. So check, first is thousands place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 7. So 7 you have to round off. So you have to check its next right hand side digit. So that is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So no change in this rounding off number. So it remains 7 only and rest of all right hand side digits become 0. So what will be the answer? 7000. That you have done in your previous class, right? Now in this rounding of decimal fractions. Now what about rounding of decimal fractions? Same like this. Clear? So if the digits on the right side of rounding off place is equal to or greater than 5, then we add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. That we have done here. Clear? If the digits on the right of rounding place is less than 5, then do not change the digit at rounding place. Do not write the remaining digits to the right of the rounding place. Here third point you have to just learn. In this decimal fraction, we will not write the remaining digits to the right of the rounding place. Yeah, here we are writing 7000, 7390, 0. Zeros we are writing, but in decimal we will not write, because after decimal, if at the end zeros are coming, then there is no value. Yeah, so it will be more clear when you will do some examples. So let one example. Round off the numbers to the nearest tens. 33.987. Here you have to round off to the nearest tens. So first count its tens place. Which one is the tens place? You know, after decimal this becomes tens. This is hundreds. This is thousands. Then 10,000s. Clear? And so on. So here tens digit is 9. That you have to round off. So next to its right hand side digit is 8, which is greater than 5, right? So that means you have to add 1 on this round off number. So when you will add 1, it becomes 10. Clear? So what you will write? This 9 becomes 10. So 10's 0 you will write. Then put decimal and 1 caret and it becomes 34. So your answer will be 34 only, because we will not write the remaining digits to the right of the rounding place. Clear? Now if you have to convert, round off the number to the nearest hundredths. So first hundredths place will be tens, hundreds, that is 5. So you have to check this 5 nearest right inside number, that is 3. Clear? And here 3 is less than 5. So no change. So what will be the answer? 25.65 only. Clear? And rest of the digits you will not write. Then if you have to round off the number, this number to the nearest thousands. So check its thousands place will be tens, hundreds, thousands, that is 5. Clear? So check its right hand side digit, that is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So again no change. So what will be the answer? 167.285 only. Clear? This is the answer. Now second numerical is find the quotient to the nearest hundredths place. Find the quotients. So first you have to divide and then you have to round off to nearest hundredths place. So divide first 100 by 13. So first it will be divisible by 7. 13 sevens are 91. When you will subtract, 9 will be the remainder. Now 9 is smaller than 13, then you have to put decimal and increase 0. Then next will be 13 6 are 78. When you will subtract, 12 will come. Already you have put decimal, so you can increase 1 0 over there. 13, now 120 will come. 13 9s are 117. When you will subtract, 3 will be the remainder. Then already you have taken decimal, so 0 you can increase. 13 2s are 26, remainder will be 4. This process you will do till you need hundreds place. So its right hand side next number will be thousands place. So till thousands place you have to do this division, right? So here tens, hundreds, thousands it is coming, so no need to do further. So we will write only 7.692. Clear? Now hundreds place is 9, so you have to convert this 9. So check its right hand side digit, that is 2. Here 2 is smaller than 5. So in case of smaller than 5, no change. So answer will be 7.69 only. Clear? Now third numerical, find the product and round off the answer to nearest tens. 22.5 into 3.5. First multiply 22.5 by 3.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 2s are 6. When you will add 5 7 8 7. So now you have to put decimal also. Here decimal places just count 1 2. There are total 2 decimal places. So from right hand side you have to put decimal after 2 place of digit. So 1 2. Here decimal will come. Clear? So multiplication 22.5, 3.5 multiplication is coming 78.75. Clear? Now you have to convert this answer to nearest tens. So its tens place is 7. Clear? So check its right hand side next digit, that is 5. So 5 is equal to 5, that means you have to add 1. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. On rounding of this digit, you have to add 1. So it becomes 8. So what will be the answer? 78.8 will be the answer. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals. Do in homework. Do in your classwork register. If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye.